napaka-rare na nagtatanong kami ng differentiable mo sa interval. Number 4, if the function f is differentiable at x equal to x0, then the graph of f has a tangent line at x equal to x0. So, inulit lang. So, kumbaga, yung derivative at times 2, synonymous na. And the process of computing the derivative is called differentiation. So, itong ginagawa natin so far, nagdi-differentiate natin. Ay, ito pala exciting yun. Sige lang. Sige lang exciting. Sige lang. 1/2 na. Magkikan na. Ay, at least kung nakita yung process dito, alam mo yung gagawin sa assignment. Nag-review pa ako ng team. Makikita yung pa yung technique dito. Okay. Determine if f of x is equal to x to the 1/2 is differentiable at x equal to 1 and at x equal to 0. So, unahin natin at x equal to 1. So, f prime at 1 essentially equals sa yung yun yung alternative. So, f of x minus f of 1 over x minus 1. So, we get here, ano yung f of x natin? X to the 1/2 minus 1 over x minus 1. So, what do we do? Ay! Diba? Sloppy. Ito ay, may kulang na naman. F prime of 1 is equal to limit. Wala pa lang nangyayari. X. Ito naman sa limit. Okay. So, pag sinubstitute natin yung 1 dito, pag nilipat natin, ang makuha natin, we get here 1 minus 1, so 0 over 0. So, yung determinant tayo, ano gagawin natin? We rationalize. Yan, nakita niyo yung technique. So, mag-rationalize, ano pang multiply natin? This would be x to the 1/2 plus 1 over x to the 1/2 plus 1. So, makuha ngayon natin. We will obtain here, this would be equal to limit of x, so square nito, minus 1 over x minus 1 times x to the 1/2 plus 1 as x approaches 1. And since x just approaching 1, pwede pa rin natin ito makancel. So, matitira sa atin limit of 1 over x to the 1/2 plus 1 as x approaches 1. So, ang sagot dito ay 1 over 1 raised to 1/2 plus 1. So, this is 1/2. On the other hand, paano pag x is equal to 0? So, pag x is equal to 0 naman, what will happen? F prime of 0 is equal to limit of f of x minus f of 0 over x minus 0. So this as x approaches 0. So what do we get here? And then f of x, this would be x to the 1/2 minus 0 over x. Limit as x approaches 0. So we obtain here limit of this one would be x to the 1/2 over x as x approaches Pero saan to equal? Equal ito sa limit na. So to the 1/2 power, 1 yan. So ito ay 1 over x to the 1/2 as x approaches 0. So ano makukuha rin natin? So 0 to, di ba? Pag sinabstitute nyo, ito ay 1 over 0. Is it 0 from the left or 0 from the right? It is. Actually, ito ay 0 from right. Bakit 0 from the right? Remember, ano yung function natin? F. So, anong domain? Domain ni F ay from 0 to positive infinity. So, ibig sabihin, walang sense na nag-limit lang tayo. Pag nakita nyo to, at x approaches 0, pero f yung equal, ano lang ibig sabihin niya? Nag-limit lang tayo from limit as x, yung mga x natin ay nasa, di ba, yung pag dito, close interval, it means from the right to right. Unspoken yung magkaka. Unspoken rule. So ito ay x from the right. So we get here, it could be positive infinity. Regardless, ano kung ito sinabi natin, kahit positive infinity yan, the limits does not exist. At dahil hindi nag-exist yan, yung limit dito, ano ang sabi natin? F is, hindi f prime ha, f is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Okay? F is continuous at the right of 0, pero hindi siya differential. So yan mga example na continuous pero hindi differentiable. So with regard to that idea, yung continuity from the left and continuity from the right, pwede niya ipag-usapan ang differentiability from the left at differentiability from the right. Okay, if the function f is defined as x equal to x naught, then the derivative from the left or right at x is equal to x naught is given by the following symbols. So, pag derivative kayo from the left, f prime of x naught pa rin, pero ginagamit na symbol, that from the left ay minus. Tapos, pag derivative from the right, you just put the plus sign. So, kung derivative natin from the right, or from the left, meron pa rin, limit of f of x minus f of x naught over x minus x naught. But this time, x approaches x naught from the left. By the way, class, limit lang to ha, hindi to continuity. Pag mag-continuity test ka dyan, limit lang to from the left. On the other hand, yung right naman, but ito yung equal din sa limit of f of x, well, f(x naught pala, x naught plus delta x minus f of x over delta x as delta x approaches 0 from the left. Pag right naman, limit of f of x minus f of x naught over x minus x naught as x approaches x naught from the right. Equal naman to sa limit f x naught plus delta x minus f of x over delta x as delta x approaches 0 from 0. In this manner, so ito yung definition ng f prime of x naught from the left, at ito yung definition ng f prime of x naught from the right. Katulad lang sa continuity rin, the function f is differentiable at x equal to x naught if and only if yung derivative from the left at derivative from the right, again, is na. At the same time, equal silang dalawa. Pero saan sila equal? Dapat equal sila sa x. Or better yun, dapat equal sila sa parehong number. Kung ano yung number na yun, yun yung magiging value ng f prime. Okay, let's have this example. Sige, let's stop here. Bukas na lang yung example. So, tapos yung... Sa example pass, you want to know? Exam. Quiz ngayon, ito. Hindi ko sama sa quiz. Sa quiz natin bukas, kasama yung, ito, yung differentiability from the left and the right. Yung siguro yung una-una, yung definition lang, yung find the equation of the normal line tangent, hindi kasama for sure. Pero ito, mag-isipan pa rin. Konting tatlo, yung parang kayo, yung pera. Sige, so, see you all sa M1 305. Para bukas, techniques na tayo. Hindi na kayo gumagamit nung napaka